While searching and scrolling to find pose of income online, I saw this shop makes 94,365 sales, over $15,000 per month, selling kids educational posters and worksheets. And there are a couple of stores like this, and I haven't seen anyone talking about this yet. So in this video, I'll be taking you step by step on how to start similar business, from idea generation to idea validation. So if you're interested of making passive income online, keep watching till the end because I promise this video contains valuable information, and you can do it too, in comfort of your home. Now let's go to ChatGPT. To generate our own ideas, we'll be asking it to give us 10 educational poster ideas for kids. And we'll be doing it, specifically within the food niche, and we'll see what it's going to give us. Okay, so it's on generating, and the one that intrigued me would be food alphabets. These are the pillar type of posters you could actually make. So we'll ask ChatGPT to expand on number 3 and give us different foods and vegetable based on the alphabets. So I typed in for ChatGPT to expand for number 3 to give me different vegetables that match different alphabets. So it has given me asparagus, broccoli, carrots, and so on all the way to letter Z. So now that we have this letter, the next thing would be to take this into Mid Journey so we could start generating the images that we use for our posters. So coming into Mid Journey, we'll be creating 2 sets of images. I'll be creating the images for the vegetables for the posters, and we'll be creating another set of sketching style images. And I'll explain why we're creating that and why we need those images down the road in this tutorial. So the first prompt that I'll be using for my vegetables would be first you click on your slash and type imagine, and then I'm going to paste this. So I'm going to explain on what the prompt is doing. So for the watercolor, we want a watercolor because it's a very popular style for posters. And we put in a coily bracket and we put in asparagus, broccoli, carrots, and eggplants. I want to do this in batch of 4, which you want to use. And once it's done upscaling, open the image and then save the image. So let me show you. So one of them was a finished upscaling, so you could see this is done and this is done as well. So you could just click on it and then open in browser. Once it opens a browser, just right click and save the image to your computer or to your folder. So you could go ahead and do this for all the different vegetables you'll be using for your poster. So I've gone ahead to do this for all the vegetables I'll be using. So you could use the same prompt method to create multiple vegetables all at once. Once we are done saving all the images we want, so the next step is to create the same particular vegetables, but I want to create them in different style. So the next prompt that I will use, I just changed to super cute cartoon in the prompt, then I put in the same set of vegetables clip art. And this time around I added blue eyes because I wanted the characters to have blue eyes and on a white background. And I will go ahead and enter and then say yes. Wait for Mid Journey to generate the images as well. So the images I've generated, you could see how details these are. Just go ahead and upscale with the ones you like and save the image. So if any particular one doesn't look quite right, or you don't like any of the ones that was generated, you can always use the row button to do that. So you could see the broccoli. You could also see the eggplant. This looks nice. So we could just upscale and save. And once it's done upscaling, we'll just click on it, then open in browser again, then right-click. Save this to your computer. So once you're done generating all your images for all the vegetables you initially generated a normal picture for, so the next step is go to tools like bigjpeg.com. We're going to pull in all the images you have created and upscale them. So don't forget that for every AI image you generate, you need to upscale them for the quality. And once you're done upscaling them, you download them and save them to your computer. So I've saved some that I've already upscaled. Let me show you. So these are some that I've already downloaded and saved and upscaled, and they all look great. So the next thing you would do is remove the white background. You need to take it to a background remover. I'll be showing you how to remove backgrounds in bulk using my designs. I found very interesting tools to use when I'm removing bulk backgrounds like this. So coming into my designs, I'll upload all the images I created. So I'll just click on upload and then I'll look for that folder where I saved them. So I'll go to vegetables and I'll go to upscale and then I'll select all and click open. And it's going to upload all the images. We'll just click upload and design will upload. It's going to upload everything. So the images are done uploading, as you could see here. So the next thing would be to remove the background in bulk. So I'll just come here and select all and go to actions and go to remove background. I'll just select that. It's going to ask me what is the output slot. We'll just use mockup one, that's fine. And it's going to use your credit anytime you do bulk removal like this, but that's fine. So I'll just click on, you can do a preview if you want to see, but my design does a very awesome job removing these in bulk. You would see, we'll just click on remove background and click on continue and wait for it to finish. Once it's done finishing, the new images are going to appear here. So we'll just wait. So let's see it's done. So once you click on it, you could see how it perfectly removes the background, so you could see what it has done in grand scale. So now that we know that it has removed the background for all of our images and we want to download them all at once, so what we will do is we come to Actions and then we go to Download as Zip. And then we're going to choose Mockup 1 because that's the image that we removed the background, and just click on Download Zip Folder. And it's going to download everything for you into a zip folder. If you're finding value in this tutorial, kindly hit the like button. It helps YouTube algorithm recommend this video to more people. The next thing we do is upload all these images in Canva because we'll be putting the posters together. And I'll tell you what we're doing with all these characters that we have here. So coming into Canva, we'll be creating the poster first. So we'll just create an A4 sized poster. You could create multiple sizes once you have made that specific size. So we click on Create a Design and then we'll choose A4. And once that opens, you would be uploading all the images. I will just show you where you could upload your image. So you come to the extreme left, you click on Upload, and you could select Upload File. You could select that file that we just downloaded and then you upload them to your Canva account. So I've already uploaded majority of them here, as you could see. So the next thing would be for us to start designing the poster. So what you could do is you could go to Designs and then we could look for vegetables. I have one here already. We could use this, so we could paste this here and we'll start modifying this to fit what we are doing. So I'll just go ahead and So I've gone ahead to finish up the posters and see how it looks. Everything is looking great, and I used a font that is a little bit playful for kids. So you could use more colorful fonts as you choose, but this is just to show you an example. So now that we have done creating the poster, you could create different set of posters and sell it as a set. But to increase your average order value, this is where this tip comes in. Now what you could do is with those images we generated in Mid Journey that are cartoon, you could use those and generate them as flashcards that you could add as a complement to this poster. You could charge more for that, and kids really love that. So there are a lot of templates on Canva that you could use to create this. Let's go back to the Canva home, and we'll look for some templates. So just type in flashcards template, just pick any, and we'll look for the one we want to use. So there's a lot of templates here. So just choose anyone. So let's choose this one and click on Open or Customize Template. So once it opens up, you could go ahead to start making changes or changing the templates as you like. As you could see, he had already given you like 4 pages which you could use, but I'll just use 1 page for the tutorial, and I would like to use this one here. So I'll just select this particular one and then we'll be editing this. So for this, we'll change it to those cartoon images, and then we'll be putting in different characteristics of the vegetables while we're putting the animations. So this is how the final product is. So you put in the name and the image, and then you could put in a little bit of a fact about the specific vegetable that you are putting in the flashcard. You could also generate this back from ChatGPT. So it's a very simple step. So you could go back and ask the ChatGPT to generate your facts about these vegetables, and it will give you these facts. So as you can see how this looks really great. So now that we have generated both the poster and the flashcards, the next thing will be to download it. Let's download this first. You just go to Share. You'll be downloading it as a PDF because they are going to print this by themselves. So you change this from PNG to PDF print. To give this highest quality, you need to choose CMYK Best for professional printing. Once you select this, then you click on Download and it's going to download this as a PDF, and you do the same for your posters because this is what you'll be offering to your customers when they make a purchase. So let's just go ahead and download the vegetable posters. So we come to share the same thing, then download, and then we change this to PDF, change this to CMYK, and then download. And then you have your products already done and completed using Canva, and also with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT and Mid Journey. So the next thing you would need to do is to package these and upload to your Etsy store. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification to know anytime I post a new video.